guys, and welcome to Huncote BMX Track. I'm here on a very windy November morning, and we're going to test out the FF on this track. And there's also some nice fields that we can test out the off-roading capabilities and stuff like that. And so yeah, we're just going to have a bit of fun really, so let's get on with it. So that was a good first run on the FF. If I just turn you around, I can show you. It's a little bit muddy, but it's not a problem. It handles absolutely amazing. The power just going up and down the ramps is just fantastic. The grip is amazing. And yeah, it's just a lot of fun, especially somewhere like this. And it's not the sunniest of days or the warmest, but there's no one here. I've got the whole thing to myself, and it's a lot of fun, I'll tell you the truth. So yeah, let's go for a couple more runs. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick launch test. Here we go. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that fun day out with the FF. We will be bringing out more videos like this in the future, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and to hit the notification bell so you can get notified when we do more videos like this. So with that out of the way, I'm going to pack up and have a great day.